Oh man, this is dope. I like this a lot. I like my RGB lights. And so this is how my everything looks like. This is RGB, Tellison magnetic RGB video light. It's very tiny. And you have your call shot here from your camera. And you can see got one here. You can put the camera right there and put the light inside here. It's a magnetic mount. You can go and change the color of this light, the brightness. One thing I love about this light that it's a magnetic. Everything is magnetic. When you take this screen off, where you can put this thing is magnetic, the plastic. Have a bunch of this inside when you buy this, because if you lose this, you screw. I like that they thought about having a magnetic light to work on, and this is where you change the light, the color, the brightness. That way you can change everything. I like this so much. I mean, this is probably it's gonna be my favorite product. I'll be using this most of the time through my camera. When you have this, you can be able to record yourself. So we have a filter here, the ND filter, action camera filter. So we're gonna go and check all this filter. We got 4 different ND filter. We got one here, that's 32, ND 32. And we have ND 16, and we got ND 8, and we have ND 1. It basically goes with the numbers. This is really beautiful. I like the grip. It looks like my camera. All my camera has a grip. So if you look to every single camera I have here, I have 4 different cameras, 5 different angles, and all of them have a grip. So for me to have a grip on my phone, on my Action 6, it's really, really good. Put your stuff in, very, very thoughtful. And you just go on and put your camera inside, just like this. And this is how now it looks from the inside. Really nice. You can go on and close. And when you close it, just basically like this.